I got accepted into the FSD beta tester program one day, and 2 days later, version 10.3.1, build 2021.36.5.3 loaded into my 2018 dual motor Model 3. This is only my second drive with FSD beta running the show ever. And so many decisions and interventions of interest happened that I'm breaking that drive up into themes. This video covers the surprisingly good and the frighteningly awful of 36.5.3 in 2 different parking lots. The too long didn't watch is that FSD beta struggled to find the right path very frequently, randomly actuated the turn signals, kept changing my max speed from my 15 mile per hour manual setting to 25 or even 45 miles per hour, rolled through stop signs, and even failed to stop for pedestrians once. However, I was still very impressed with the times it correctly anticipated the intentions of pedestrians. Well, that was a good job of getting off of the highway before slowing down.
In 1,000 feet,
But,
turn left.
yeah, and it's slowing down pretty well. Yeah. Apply light turning. What the heck? Oh, and it did great, because that's the way you're supposed to do it, is turn into the closest left turn lane and then change lanes over.
In 500 feet, turn right.
All right, so we're going to enter a parking
Now
lot. Is it
turn
going to do it? Good job. Good job. Little rough, little rough. Still safe. Definitely not 45. Okay, there we go. 15. That's reasonable. Oof. Yeah, no, it didn't know what to do. Turn off the turn signal. Oh my gosh. No, I'm bailing out. Okay, because it's not wanting to go as fast as it should be going. So I'm just going to get out of this person's way. All right. Just for kicks, I'm going to see how it navigates. If it'll let me. No, turn signal. Oh my gosh, nope.
Now your destination is on the right.
Okay, it's stop, look for pedestrians, and then go. Oh, it did not come to a complete stop. Now, I don't know if I would ever get a ticket for that, but that was a rolling stop. Guy looking at his phone. All right. Yeah, even FSD beta didn't know where he was going to go. That it stopped for. Okay, that's great. But that rolling stop for that other. Oh, that's so funny. What? No turn signal. You don't need a turn signal. There's no lane marking here, but it's definitely a lot farther left than I would be going through here. It needs to get over to the right. Got a car coming right at us, you dummy. Get over, get over. And that car's pulling out. What are you gonna do? I've got this goofy grin on my face as I'm almost pulling into oncoming cars. And no wonder that guy was probably looking at me like I was a crazy man. All right, 4-way stop and then go. Very tentatively, but it did okay. Guy pulling stroller out, not 25. Why all of a sudden it started to try to do 25 miles an hour? What the heck? And again, like it's across what would be the center line. Got the stupid grin on my face as I'm coming up on oncoming traffic. Get over, that's it. Ooh, that car almost pulled into us. And then pedestrian. And it's gonna wait for her too. Well, that's polite. And now go. Oh! Good job! That, I'm impressed, yay! Although it's not giving, like, it didn't do anything about the car that had its reverse lights on. It just kept going, and that car started to back up because it couldn't see. All right. It gives pedestrians a lot of room, and it's a little slow in getting started again, and the person behind me is super mad, and so they're taking a detour. That's okay, I don't care. It just doesn't know where to go now. It needs to go a lot farther to the right. Yeah, see, I'm half in the oncoming lane here, actually. Another rolling stop. And then it's kind of stuck in the middle of the intersection. It did not come to a complete stop there. And I should be giving this person a lot more. Oof. Okay. It didn't know what to do there either. All right. What? Turn signal? No. This is crazy fun. I cannot believe actually at how good this is. I am not saying this is anywhere near ready for prime time for somebody to just be driving this and not paying as close attention as I am, but I love this. Okay, pedestrian. Wow, it did the double stop, letting this pedestrian go too, but I am way to the left. Come on. Get over. Yeah, that makes me uncomfortable. More pedestrians. Is it going to stop? I had to do that. Yeah, no, that was not cool. That guy's a little pissed. Rightfully so. Okay. This is the lane it needs to be in now.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Charles B. Route Y.
And that is way too early to get over in the left turn. Oh my God.
Turn left onto Charles B. Route Y.
No. Yeah, it's completely failing, and the person behind me thinks I'm a real... Nope. It's not correctly staying in this left turn lane. Wow. This is very basic. So the first thing it did was it pulled into the left turn lane in a section where there would absolutely be cars coming the other way, making a left turn into an apartment complex. So that's not where it should have done it.
Now turn right.
Let's see. Okay, and now the animations are frozen again. Slowing for a... What? Oh my God. Okay. Nope. Nope. Left turn is correct.
Now turn
what are
left.
you doing? And not 25 miles an hour. Oh my God. No, it does not like this parking lot at all. It is way too close to the center. Slow over the speed bump. Where are you going? No. Okay. Fail. Total fail. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What in the world?
Now turn right onto Edwards Mill Road.
No, it does not like these parking lots. Parking lots have to be among the toughest challenges for software to crack. They're certainly the most confusing places for human drivers, so these results don't surprise me. If you're interested in seeing the progress that I experience, be sure to subscribe for more FSD beta testing videos. I really appreciate you watching The Tech of Tech, and I hope to see you next time. See back there. Oh, okay, go. Go.